Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Tanya Aneja and this is a brand new episode of Technical Gupshup, a show where we'll discuss the technical market outlook, key levels to watch out for, and some technical stock ideas that you can bet on at this point in time. Well, what a fantastic week it was for the Indian markets. Sensex crossed the important 64K mark and Nifty also hit the 19K level. Not only that, markets opened at fresh record high on Friday on improved sentiment following robust economic data from the US, which eased fears of a slowdown. Now, experts believe that the global support for the bullishness is coming from the mother market US, where the market is supported by better than expected Q1 GDP growth of 2% and declining weekly jobless claims. So now the question is that where are the Indian markets headed in the near term, which are the levels to watch out for, and which are the stocks that you can bet on in the near term. So to discuss this and much more, let's welcome our guest on the show today. We have with us Mr. Jatin Gedia. He's the technical research analyst at Sharekhan. Thank you so much, Jatin, for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today Television. And 19,000 on the Nifty. So my question is that what is next for the Nifty and for Indian markets? Where are the markets headed in the near term? What do the technical charts suggest? And will the momentum sustain going forward?
So good morning, everyone. What the Sharekhan research team analyzes on the daily charts is that in the month of June, the Nifty traded between the range of 18,500 and 18,900 for most part of the month. And in the latter half of the month, that is in the last week of June, what we are witnessing is that the Nifty has been taking support at the 20-day moving average, which was placed around 17,600, 700 odd levels. And thereafter, it has started the next leg of the up move. Now, considering that for most part of the month of June, it was consolidating. Now we expect a trending move on the upside. And if we look at the seasonality factor, apart from 2019, most of the months of July have given a positive return. So this year also, and technically also, we believe that the Nifty has started its next leg of up move, which can take it higher to 19,400 on the upside. And now this is the Fibonacci 100% extension level of the previous wave. So if we project on the upside, we get a level of 19,400. So we believe that this rally which has started can continue till 19,400 in the case of Nifty. And in the case of Bank Nifty which was clearly lagging in the month of June. So now that has taken the lead, and we believe that the banking sector or the Bank Nifty shall be the one of the outperforming sectors in the month of July. We believe that stocks like HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank are likely to outperform, and that will also pull the Nifty and the Bank Nifty along with it to new highs.
Okay, absolutely. So 19,400 is the levels to watch out for, and Bank Nifty is actually trading at record high levels today as well. But Jatin, also, shares of asset management companies, they are also in focus today, and this is after the market regulator deferred, its decision to rationalize the total expense ratio or the expenses that mutual fund schemes can charge their investors. So stocks like HDFC Asset Management and then Aditya Birla Sun Life, AMC, Nippon Life Asset Management, they are up to the tune of 10 to 13% today. So your thoughts on this space and any stocks that you like for the near term?
Yeah, so if you look at the AMC stocks like Nippon India Asset Management, HDFC, AMC, and UTI AMC, all these stocks are up between around 10% in today's trading session. That is definitely on the back of the announcement that has come. Overall, if we technically look at these charts, all these charts on the daily time frame are in an uptrend. So we believe that the this news will only further the positive momentum on the upside. And if we look at some stock specific ideas, we believe that HDFC AMC has been some kind of a pullback only. So on the upside, if I need to give levels, then 2500 to 2700 is the medium term target, and we believe that 2100 should be a stop loss if one wants to play on the long side. So HDFC would be a preferred bet among the AMC pack.
Okay, absolutely. Keep an eye out on HDFC AMC. And also, if you talk about mid cap and small cap space, Jatin, then the kind of volume action that we have seen in this particular space is really significant, you know. So, how should investors really play out this theme? And any stocks that you like from mid cap and small cap space? Because I think the space has been performing really well.
See, of late, the rally in the frontline indices, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty during the month of June was subdued. However, the positive momentum for small cap and mid cap index was continuing. If I talk about the small cap index, that has rallied around 25% in the last 3 months.
Right.
And despite the sideways consolidation during the month of June in the case of frontline indices, the small cap index and mid cap index continued their upward journey. In the last week, we saw some kind of a correction from extremely overbought readings, and also the momentum indicator has a negative divergence. So that indicates that there could be some kind of a loss of momentum on the upside. However, we still believe that the underlying tone is still positive. This mid cap and small cap space can consolidate in the month of July. However, there can be stock specific action on the upside. So the underlying tone is bullish whenever these stocks or these come to support levels. Then one should only look at buying opportunities, because we believe that the uptrend is still not complete and there could be a consolidation which will help the momentum indicators to cool off. However, that does not mean that there is a trend reversal. So we believe that the underlying tone is still bullish. There can be pockets where we can find good value, and we expect the positive momentum to resume after that.
Okay, absolutely. That's the word that is coming in. And let's talk about some IT stocks as well. So, Indian IT companies have seen a downgrade in earnings estimates, and they have, been underperforming since the last few sessions. But today, if you look at some of the IT stocks like Infi, TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra as well, they're doing really well in today's trading session, and Nifty IT index is also, one of the top gainers. So, your thoughts on IT space and any stocks, that you like, especially given the amount of correction we have seen so far in this particular counter?
Yeah, so see, if we talk about the IT space, we believe that it has been an underperformer. It has not contributed in the rally. However, we don't see the underperformance to continue. In fact, in the month of July, IT sector, we believe that will be one of the sectors which will start performing. And we believe, and in today's trading session also, we are witnessing some positive price action in the front lines like Infosys and TCS. And if we consider the mid cap IT stocks also, then we are witnessing some positive price action. So if we talk of some stock specific ideas, then we believe that emphasis from the mid cap IT space is looking extremely positive.
Okay.
Technically it has completed a complex corrective WXYZ pattern on the downside, and
Okay.
thereafter it witnessed retracement, and thereafter it has started a next leg of up move. So we believe that emphasis could be the next stock to bet on. We believe
Okay.
that on the upside, 2100 should be a target area.
Okay, absolutely. So, Infosys, keep an eye on that, and that is the level that is coming in for this particular stock. But before we come to top technical stock ideas, Jatin, any sectors or themes that you like, for the near term? Because we have seen this cyclical sectors playing out like cement, auto ancillary, defense. So, any sectors that you like that could actually deliver a good amount of return to traders in the near term?
Yeah, so one sector which we believe is was the IT sector, and another sector which can contribute or provide good returns is the auto pack. Now, auto pack, what we believe is that it has gone through a consolidation phase. We believe that Maruti, M&M uh,
Hmm.
are some of the stocks which have corrected or consolidated, and now they are ready for the next leg of the up move. Also,
Okay.
if we see the two-wheeler pack like Bajaj Auto and Hero Motocorp and TVS Motors, we believe that they have gone through their phase of consolidation or correction, and now they are matured for the next leg of the up move. So we believe that apart from IT, auto are also likely to provide a positive momentum on the upside.
Okay, absolutely. So auto and IT, keep an eye on that. And now let's come to the top technical stock ideas. So which are the stocks that you're betting on at this point in time?
Yeah, so from the Autobank, we have Escorts Limited. So
Okay.
Escorts Limited is one stock. We believe that it is forming an extension on the upside. So we believe that that can be bought with a stop loss of 2140 for a target of 2340 on the upside. And another stock which we have is Mahanagar Gas Limited from the gas distribution space. We believe that it has formed a descending triangle pattern, and now that pattern has matured, and we expect this breakout on the upside. So MGL would be another stock to look out for. We believe that it can continue its positive momentum till 1125, 1150 on the upside, and one can keep a stop loss of 1030 on the downside. So Escorts and MGL will be our picks for coming trading sessions.
Okay, absolutely. So these are the top technical ideas that are coming in from Jatin, and thank you so much, Jatin, on that wonderful note for taking the time out and joining us here on Business Today television.
Thank
So
you.
with that, let's wrap up this edition of Technical Gupshup. But don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. And do share your feedback, your stock queries, whatever you have. So stay tuned for all the latest market updates. And many thanks for watching.